to my videos. I'm just going to call this session as Pronounce with me. So, first thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafa Amalia Izzati, usually called Yapa or Rafa. My name is B324013, and at this occasion, I'm going to give you materials about this vowel. So I'm about to tell you how to pronounce this vowel, and all you have to do is just listen to my materials carefully and please do it by yourself. I'm going to give you some exercise. You can practice this all by yourself and repeat after me once I show you some words that contain this vowel. Please make these videos useful, because actually the reason why I take this video is about to help you to improve your English skills. So yeah, practice this all by yourself. You might practice in your bedroom, or maybe in your living room, or maybe when you get bored while taking a shower. You might practice this because no one will hear you, so please be more confident. I'm so sorry, but please just ignore the original back sound of my video, because actually I'm not good at editing, so I can erase that back sound of my video, and I'm so sorry. Alright, let's get started. So I'm just gonna give you the materials about this vowel, and how to pronounce this vowel is O, O, O. Okay, you just have to make your mouth shapes like round, and you might lower your tongue, so it's gonna be O, O, O. Please repeat after me. O, O, O. Okay, please, one more time, repeat after me. O. Okay, you are doing great. I'm sure that you might find this vowel at usual conversation, because I do find them at my usual conversation too. So I'm going to give you some example. You might practice this all by yourself. You may practice this word all by yourself. I'm sure that this is pretty basic, and I know that you can do it. So I'm going to give you a second to practice this word. The first one is, one more time. Okay, so the first one is on, on. Alright, let's move to the next one. The second one is, okay, one more time. Alright, the second one is odd, 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 odd. Alright, the last but not least is wash, wash, wash. Alright, that's great. So to be more clear, I'm about to give you one reminder how to make this sound. First thing first is, make your mouth is round shaped, and also make your tongue loud and pull it back so it's O, O, O. Please say it after me. O. One more time. Okay, that's good. Here's some words here's some another example. So it's what, what, and hop, hop. So you can find another words. Please count as many as it can be. Okay guys, the next one is an example that contain that sound in them. So I'm going to give you one example and you have to find as many as it can be sentences that contain O in them and practice it all by yourself. So the example is this one. This one is he wants a job. He wants a job. So wants and job. Please don't forget to do the task. You have to find as many as it can be and you have to practice it all by yourself. Okay guys, I think that's all from me. I can't wait to hear from you that your English skills is way better after you do a lot of practice, because you know practice makes perfect guys, and that's all fine too if you are still make a mistake or do them wrong, because the moral of the story is some mistake gets made, that's alright, that's okay. Let's grow together, and once again please be more confident. Thank you everyone for watching this video and for listening to my materials carefully. I'm so sorry if I made a lot of mistakes, and I'm so sorry once again for this original pattern of my videos. I'm so sorry guys. Thank you, and I hope we can meet at another occasion. Bye bye.